There are many different kinds of motorhomes, from small pop-up trailers to larger van conversions, camper vans, and even coach-built rigs. Your needs and budget will determine your options. There are a lot of celebrities who like cars, and some of those same people also like to drive about in fancy RVs. When you're famous, you've got to make a big splash or you'll never be able to escape the spotlight. Welcome to Luxurious Vibe. Check out these top 10 ridiculously expensive RVs owned by celebrities. Number 10. Jason Momoa's Earth Roamer, $750,000. You may know Momoa from his great roles as Aquaman in the DC Universe movies, Conan the Barbarian, and Baba Voss in C, among other Hollywood blockbusters. He's at the top of his game and on the A-list. When he's not learning lines and shooting movie scenes, he's out on the road and living in a camper van. Momoa travels by RV, which has been shown in a number of photo shoots, interviews, and posts on his Instagram. He was recently seen in a customized Earth Roamer XV LTI 026 motorhome with a $750,000 price tag. It comes with a king-size bed, leather furniture, a wine rack, a bike rack, and camping gear. Number 9. Vin Diesel's Trailer Tractor, $1.1 million. Vin Diesel is a famous actor best known for his Fast and the Furious movies, which focus on cars and have a lot of over-the-top action. So, as Dom Toretto noted, Diesel has driven some amazing cars, like the black mid-engine Dodge Charger by Speedcore called Hellacious. But in real life, he has a collection of cool cars that anyone would want. When he's not getting tickets for speeding on his Lykan Hypersport, you can find him relaxing in his luxurious custom-made trailer. Anderson Mobile Estates charged him $1.1 million to build it, and the 1,100 square feet of living space on its 2 levels are huge. Number 8. Will Smith's The Heat, $2.5 million. Will Smith owns one of the world's most popular motorhomes. He got the mobile home called The Heat in the early 2000s and lived in it while making movies like Men in Black and The Pursuit of Happiness. It is a 55-foot, 22-wheeler with 2 floors and 1,200 square feet of living space. Anderson Mobile Estates built it to order at a cost of $2.5 million. It's a luxury yacht that can go on land. It has granite countertops in the kitchen that cost $200,000. Gadgets that cost $125,000, and real leather seats that cost $30,000. Number 7. Shaquille O'Neal's Shaqmobile, $550,000. Shaq is known as one of the best NBA players of all time. When he played for the Los Angeles Lakers, he bought a Neal's motorhome for $167,000 and started living in it. A year later, the Boston Celtics asked Hallmark Motor Coach to make a gift for the Hall of Famer's retirement. The Super C motorhome is hard to miss. It's 45 feet long and has a bright paint job. The Shaqmobile, as he calls it, costs about $550,000 and has enough comfort features for a once-in-a-lifetime trip across the country. It has a California king-size bed for a 7'1" frame, triple bunks for kids, a booth dinette, sofas, and big TVs. Number 6. Simon Cowell's The Hollywood, $2 million. Simon Cowell has one of the coolest collections of celebrity cars, which shows that he is one of the best paid TV stars. From the $1 million Bugatti Veyron supercar to the classic Jaguar Eagle Speedster and Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3, the X Factor judge has expensive taste. But his $2 million motorhome is probably one of his most prized possessions, and a big reason why he's worth $600 million. The trailer known as the Hollywood was made by Anderson Mobile Estate. It is a 22-wheeler with 2 stories, 1,200 square feet of living space, slide-outs, and roof extensions that pop up. Number 5. Mariah Carey's Party Pad on Wheels, $1.8 million. Mariah Carey is another famous person who likes to travel on the open road. At the height of COVID's isolation, she kept a journal of her cross-country trip in a 2020 Prevost Marathon coach by Outdoorsy that cost $7,900 per night. This leaves questions about whether Mimi bought or was renting one of the most iconic motorhomes. A $1.8 million home on wheels, and another of Anderson Mobile Estate's creations. Even so, she was seen with one of the company's products in 2015, making her one of the first people to use it. Inside Mariah Carey's two-story RV, there is a living room. It was a nice flex, and the two-story RV looks nicer than most homes. Even though it doesn't have a bedroom and only has high-end features in its 1,200 square feet of living space. Number 4. Jamie Foxx's off-script studio, $1 million. After working on Will Smith's The Heat and Simon Cowell's The Hollywood, the Anderson Mobile Estate has become a regular feature in this article. Their portfolio stretches further with luxurious creations like the Aspen, the Uptown, the Studio, and Jamie Foxx's off-script studio on wheels. Off-script is one of the most well-known motorhomes. It was made to host a talk show with the same name. It was made so that other celebrities could be interviewed in comfort. This house on wheels costs $1.8 million and has 4 wheels. During the Grey Goose produced show, stars like The Rock, Denzel Washington, Jeremy Renner, and Vince Vaughn were among the guests. It has 2 floors, a roof that can be opened or closed, a dressing room, and a recording studio. Number 3. Leonardo DiCaprio's trailer, $1.5 million. Leonardo DiCaprio asked King Kong production vehicle to build him a custom motorhome in 2009, so he could use it while making the science fiction movie Inception. The end result was a 52-foot long, 16-foot wide, movable marvel on wheels. It is said to have cost DiCaprio $1.5 million, and the gold finish on the outside screams wealth. 2 fireplaces, heated floors, 5 TVs, an open living room with couches, a kitchen with a marble countertop, and an open bar are some of the most important features. Number 2. Brad Pitt's trailer, $1 million. Brad Pitt is a true gearhead who loves planes, motorcycles, cars, and even a real German military motorcycle from World War II that cost $400,000. A 48-foot-long trailer worth $1 million is one of the many kinds of machinery he has. It has a chef-quality kitchen, a master bedroom with a queen-size bed, table and walk-in shower, and pullouts that make it bigger and give you more space. It's big enough for his whole family to stay there when they come to visit when he's not on a movie set. Number 1. Justin Bieber's tour bus, $2.46 million. Most people were kept away from the virus in the summer of 2020, and some lost their jobs. When Justin Bieber and his wife spent $2.46 million on an ultra-luxurious motorhome with all the amenities an A-list celebrity couple could ever need, other celebrities didn't feel the same pressure. It is a marathon coach RV with voice controls and a GPS that pops up when you need it. The floors are made of marble and porcelain, and the rooms have sofas that were made just for them. In the back, there's a bedroom with a king-size bed and a TV unit with Apple TV built in. And that concludes our video. Which one did you like the most? Comment with your thoughts below. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like this.